Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Travelogue Fun Food Facts. We are living during difficult times because of coronavirus pandemic. This has affected us both physically and emotionally. As cases of coronavirus continue to increase, taking daily precautions such as washing your hands, social distancing, exercising and getting enough sleep is important to lower the risk of infection. Most importantly, maintaining a healthy diet to help boost your immune system will be very beneficial in such situation. Certain studies have found that what we eat and drink can affect our body's ability to prevent, fight and recover from infections. Healthy diets not only help you to fight against corona but also reduce the likelihood of developing other health problems like obesity, heart disease, diabetes, cholesterol and some type of cancer. So here are few tips to maintain healthy diet. First, eat variety of food. Eat a mixed whole grains like wheat, maize, rice and also take lentils, beans, plenty of fresh fruit and vegetable. Add some unprocessed whole grain food like maize, oats, wheat, brown rice, etc. as they are rich in valuable fiber. Fiber food lead you to healthy digestive system. For non-vegetarians, you may include meat, fish, eggs in your meal. Second one is limit your sugar and salt intake. Limit salt intake to 5 to 7 grams a day. Avoid using salty sauces like soya sauce, fish sauce or stock. If you use canned foods such as vegetable, beans, just check out the level of sodium as its excess could be harmful. Experiment with some fresh and dried herbs and spices for added flavors instead of adding excess salt. Avoid taking sweets and sugary drinks such as fizzy drinks, fruit juices, liquid and powder concentrates, flavored water, energy, sport drinks, coffee, tea, flavored milk, etc. Choose fresh fruit to eat instead of sweet snacks such as cookies, cakes and chocolate. Third one is to reduce fat intake. Replace saturated fats like some oil, butter, ghee with healthier fats like olive, soya, sunflower or corn oil when cooking. Take low-fat version of dairy products. Choose white meats like poultry and fish rather than eating red meat, shrimp meat, etc. Avoid processed, baked, fried foods. Instead try steaming, grilling, boiling or sauteing food. Fourth one is stay hydrated and avoid harmful alcohol use. Good hydration is very important for health. Tap clean water is safe for consumption instead of having bottled water, sugar-sweetened beverages. You may also keep yourself hydrated by taking fresh fruits or fresh fruit juices like cucumber, berries, lavender, orange, coconut, etc. Avoid taking caffeinated drinks like strong tea, coffee, soft drinks, etc. Avoid completely taking alcohol as it may cause long-term disease like liver damage, heart disease, mental illness, etc. Apart from this, there are few vegetable or fruits option for you which helps you keep healthy immune system and help you fight against any infection or viruses. They are red bell pepper, broccoli, strawberries and spinach. These are rich in vitamin C. A cup of red bell pepper contains nearly 2 times more vitamin C than oranges. Vitamin C helps to immune defense by supporting variety of cell functions and lower risk of respiratory infection. Broccoli is also rich in vitamin C and also contain vitamin E, an antioxidant that can help fight off bacteria viruses. Strawberries are also good option for vitamin C as well as spinach. Second one is mushroom. It is full of vitamin D. While exposure to sun is the best option for vitamin D, but we may gain from food as well. Vitamin D helps enhance absorption of calcium, which is good for bone health and protect against respiratory disease. Plain yogurt is a source of probiotic, which are good bacteria help promote healthy gut and immune system. For vitamin E, sunflower seeds are best option, which works as an antioxidant and helps boost your immune system. Next one is garlic. Garlic helps in reducing blood pressure, reducing risk of heart disease. Garlic is full of sulfur-containing compounds, which can help fight off some infections. Apart from these, root vegetables like carrot, turnip, beets, cabbage, cauliflower, ginger, peas, tomato, onion are great options to add in your meals. Some fruits like mango, pineapple, berries, strawberry, oranges, whole grain pulses like beans, chickpeas, lentils are rich in protein, fiber, vitamin, minerals. Some dried, unsalted, unsweetened nuts like almond, walnuts, pistachios, etc. can also be part of your meal. Few Indian spices like turmeric, cumin seeds, carom seeds, black pepper, clove, cinnamon are enriched with antioxidant, antifungal and antibacterial qualities. They have ability to fight against bacterial or kill viruses that cause sniffles or sore throat, cold and cough. Taking healthy food will help you boost your immunity, but few other things like keeping kitchen and utensils clean, washing hands before cooking, eating, separate raw and cooked foods, cook thoroughly and keep food at safe temperature. Use safe, clean water and raw materials. These are also an important key to keep in mind while planning your meal for a day. Guys, I hope you liked my video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to get updates. Thank you.